Did you know that over 60% of millionaires have multiple streams of income? Imagine achieving that level of financial freedom by 2025. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wealth Vibes Path, where we explore the best strategies to build wealth and secure your financial future. Today, we're diving deep into the ultimate guide to building multiple income streams in 2025. Whether you're looking to supplement your current income or aiming for complete financial independence, this video will provide you with actionable strategies to unlock your financial freedom. Let's get started. 1. Understanding financial freedom. First things first, what exactly is financial freedom? Simply put, it's the ability to live the life you want without being constrained by financial worries. It means having enough income from your investments and other passive sources to cover your living expenses. 2. Diversifying income streams. Now, let's talk about diversifying your income streams. There are two main types: active and passive income. Active income requires ongoing effort, like your day job or freelancing. Passive income, on the other hand, earns money with minimal ongoing effort, such as investments or royalties. Active income examples: freelancing, consulting, side businesses. Passive income examples: rental properties, dividend stocks, digital products. For 2025, some top income streams to consider include: 1. Side businesses. Think online services, specialized consulting, or niche markets. 2. Investments. Stocks, real estate, cryptocurrencies, and even emerging assets like NFTs. 3. Royalties and licensing. Monetize your creative works or intellectual property. 4. Digital platforms. Utilize platforms like YouTube, Patreon, or Shopify to generate income. 3. Leveraging technology. Technology plays a crucial role in managing multiple income streams efficiently. Automation tools like robo-advisors can help manage your investments without constant oversight. Similarly, AI-driven marketing platforms can automate your business's marketing efforts, freeing up your time. Digital platforms. Platforms such as YouTube allow you to create content that generates ad revenue, while Shopify can help you set up an e-commerce store with ease. By leveraging these technologies, you can scale your income streams without a proportional increase in workload. 4. Creating scalable income streams. Scalability is key to maximizing your income potential. Let's look at two primary areas. E-commerce. Whether it's drop shipping or print on demand, e-commerce allows you to reach a global market with minimal upfront costs. Focus on selecting profitable niches and automating your store's operations to handle increased demand effortlessly. Content creation. Growing a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast can become significant revenue sources. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. The more engaging and consistent your content, the more your audience and income will grow. 5. Investing in personal development. Investing in yourself is one of the most effective ways to build multiple income streams. Continuously acquiring new skills opens up additional income opportunities. 6. Overcoming challenges. Building multiple income streams isn't without its challenges. Time management is crucial to prevent burnout. Here are some strategies. 1. Prioritize tasks. Focus on high-impact activities that drive the most income. 2. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve with each income stream. 3. Automate and delegate. Use automation tools and outsource tasks when possible. Financial planning. Effective budgeting and resource allocation are essential. Ensure you're reinvesting profits wisely to grow your income streams sustainably. Let's look at some real-life success stories. Case Study 1. Sarah's e-commerce empire. Sarah started a print-on-demand store in 2020. By leveraging social media marketing and automating her order fulfillment, she scaled her business to generate 6 figures annually by 2025. Case Study 2. Mike's investment portfolio. Mike diversified his income by investing in dividend stocks, real estate, and cryptocurrencies. Using robo-advisors, he managed his portfolio efficiently, achieving financial independence 3 years ahead of schedule. Both Sarah and Mike exemplify how strategic planning and leveraging technology can lead to multiple, scalable income streams. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Wealth Vibes Path, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear about your current income streams or your plans to diversify. Share them in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our other videos on smart investing and side hustles to continue your journey to financial freedom.